how to fix Outlook disconnected and how to reconnect. So here I have the Outlook application open right here. So I have the new version and I also have the classic version open right here. So the first thing that you need to check if your Outlook is disconnected is of course your internet. So from here, just go to your internet settings and make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi or an Ethernet that has an internet connection. So from here, you can also check this. So it says connected and secured. So that means it has internet. So if it doesn't have internet, it will just say right here that it has no internet, but you're still connected. So just go ahead and double check that. And then from here, when you go back to Outlook, here in the new version of Outlook, what you can do is that you can click view, then you can click sync. So from here, it will say syncing. So you just need to wait for it to finish and you should now be connected to your Outlook server again. And then in the classic version of Outlook, so from here, what you need to do is that you need to go to send and receive and then just click send and receive all folders. So this will also sync and reconnect your Outlook application and then you should now be connected to the server again. So you also need to check if the work offline feature is turned on right here in the classic version of Outlook, because if you have the work offline turned on, it will say right here, or it will have an icon, an X icon right here beside your Outlook application. And then what happens is that you cannot connect to the server and you are just working or using Outlook offline. So just make sure that this is turned off so that you are connected from the server. So it also says right here that you will disconnect from the server if this is turned on. And then it says right here, work offline if you do not want to receive new email. So this is useful if you don't want a disturbance from receiving new emails right here in Outlook. So now if you have checked your internet and then you have also done the solutions that I have done and you're still having problems with Outlook, what you can do next is restart your computer. So to do that, of course, you just need to open the start icon and then just go ahead and click restart. So make sure that you choose restart instead of shutdown because restart has a different process in restarting the computer. So it completely restarts all processes in your computer, because if you shut down, sometimes it just turns off the processes, but it doesn't completely restart it or completely close it. So just choose restart right here. Then you can go ahead and see if Outlook is now fixed and you are now connected to the server. And then that is it. And what you can also do is that you can also use the repair feature of Microsoft if it's still not working. So you can go to search from here, go to control panel, and then from here, go to programs and features. In the search bar, just search for Microsoft. From here, choose Microsoft 365 apps for business, then click change and then click yes. From here, you will see two options. You have quick repair and online repair. So you can use quick repair first so that it will fix most issues quickly without using an internet connection. So after you have used quick repair and you're still having some problems, then you can use online repair. So this will fix all issues, but it will take a little longer and requires an internet connection. So just go ahead and choose the options right here and then click repair. And then keep in mind that when you use this repair feature, it will take some time for it before it finishes. So you just need to wait for it to finish. Then you can go ahead and open Outlook again to see if you are now connected to the server. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix Outlook disconnected and how we can reconnect to the server. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.